Hello, today we'll be doing YLog 5th grade worksheet lesson 1. Standard form. Write each number in standard form, and here's an example. So we have 351. So I drew a chart, and this is the thousands place, this is the hundreds place, this is the tens place, and this is the ones place. So since it says 100, we'll be writing 300, and there'll be 2 more places, and it says 51. Next. 43,500. So this will be in the thousands place, and since it's a 2-digit number, this will be 43,000, and we have 3 more places. And then it says 500. Since it doesn't say anything else, we'll place 0 and another 0. Next, expanded form. Fill in the blank with the correct numbers. In expanded form, 246 is 2 times 100. So this is the hundreds place, so it'll be 2 times 100. That'll equal 200. Next, something times 10, that'll be 4. Then it'll be 40. 4 times 10 is 40. And then 6 times 1 is 6. And when you add them all together, you get 246. So that's how you break it down in expanded form. Next, in expanded form, 9,215. So same thing, like question 1, we have 9 times 1,000 equals 9,000. Then the next one is something times 100. That'd be 2. So 2 times 100 equals 200. Next, something times 10, that'll be 1. 1 times 10 is 10. Then 5 times 1 is 5. If you add them all together, you get 9,215. Let's go to the next one. Order each set of numbers from greatest to least. So we have 1,249, 1,254, 1,230. So let's look at the thousands place. They all have 1. Then the next one, hundreds place, 2, 2, 2. Tens place, 4, 5, 3. So we want to find the greatest. 5 is greater than 4 and 3. So we write 1,254 first. And then we look here, it says it has a 4 in the tens place, and here it has a 3 in the tens place. 4 is greater than 3, so we write 1,249. And then last, that leaves us with 1,230. Next, order each set of numbers from least to greatest, so smallest number to biggest number. So let's look at the thousands place. 2, 3, 2. So we see that this one is 32,291. And so this is the greatest, so we'll place it here at the end. And then we have to find something over here. So we look at 1 and 7 in the thousands place. 1 is less than 7. So we write here 21,843 because it's the smallest number, and then 27,341. Next, the populations of 5 U.S. cities: San Francisco, Boston, Denver, Seattle, and Atlanta. List the cities in order from the least to the greatest population. Let's look at the thousands place. 100,000, 8, 7, 8, 6, 7, 4. So 4 is the smallest in the thousandth place, so we write Atlanta. Then we look at the other cities, and we don't write the number since it says list the cities. So I'll go from top to bottom. Since we're done with Atlanta, we cross that off. Next, 8, 6, 7, 7. Then we write Boston because that's the second smallest. So Boston. And then we have 3 more. So you can list them in any way, but I think top to bottom is easiest. So Atlanta and then Boston. And next we have 8, 7, 7. Since 8 is the greatest, we know that'll be the last. So what comes next after Boston? Look in the 10,000th place. 1 and 4. 1 is less than 4. So we write Denver. And now we know that Seattle will be next. So we have Denver. Then we write Seattle. And excuse my terrible handwriting since I'm using the mouse or my keyboard. So not a mouse, but my keyboard. And then lastly, it'll be San Francisco. And I'm just going to abbreviate because I don't have a mouse. So I'll just write San Fran. So we can abbreviate that to make it a little bit easier. Now that's it. So we have Atlanta, Boston, Denver, Seattle, and San Francisco.